No, I see. That is deaf culture, which is right. Now Thursday, that is yesterday, that is 25, and this is the person that understand. He habit his search wisdom. Again, I repeat. Ang person that understand, he habit his search wisdom. Now, ang problem ng the pastor is sorry. Kasi they did not reach, nag-search sila ng wisdom. Wala. Kasi when you search wisdom, you have to study. When you search wisdom, you have to analyze. It's like that. So kasi ang deaf, they don't understand. They just only have the religion. So, mag-invent already at saka magganyan-ganyan sa Sunday so ng wisdom. What will I do? I have to study. What will I do? And so that is what it means. And this is ang person nga fools. Attention kayo, it's beautiful. Ang person nga fools, you see, ang person nga fools, it makes his own mind, it flies away. Okay. So again, attention kayo. Ang person nga fools, it makes its own mind. I give you for example. Tama. Kasi ang deaf gumagano, no. See that? So that is don't be hurt. That is why there is the word there. And that is kasi you are honest. So here, Sito Salim, I'm honest. I don't like that. I am honest. That is why there is a word, forgive me my English. Forgive. No, that is true. Why there is? Why? That is why Sito Salim, I explained. You don't have to be hurt. No, you have honest. That is true. That is the word. Ang hospital, ang school, the word dyan is in the book, they write. No, why like that? I will kasi in the past, there is no language that based in the hand. Wala. In the past, okay, that is why there is the word. Kasi there is no language, it's just for whatever that one. Okay? And then the second, if you are in Japan, the teacher and the school, they will teach you. If you are in Korea, if you are in America, ang deaf what? Dumb. See, that is why before when si Kalul yan, yeah, it's my student doon sa CSP, Sito Salim, I make a paper. I forgot the title, but I have in there. Yeah, it's about my dream that in CSP I will stop. And it is a story. It's a story. I will stop. That there is one land, big, that the father, his son deaf. Okay, and then he meets Sito Salim. So that is my dream, because I put that in the paper. I do like that, and I put it there. And then all the people mag come. And we did that, and we teach. Purpose ang deaf mag-grow, nga mag-damstop, nga ang deaf mag-wise ni. Kasi if the school, the government, long time ago, oh, the deaf dumb. And now, nag-English, ang the deaf, the same dumb. That is why I want to, the school, na not nga maganyan-ganyan. See? Yesterday, I do like that sa kay Joanne. Her sister, si ganon, na ganyan kasing kuha ng German. Okay. So the German, he's a I think pastor, whatever. And then, he saw this, the German, he saw this. So summertime, he will do like that. Diba? Kasi the German, he has also English. He's deaf. He has also English. Ay manggana. Yeah. See, that is ang meaning. So in the past, dumb. Second, dumb. Deaf. See? It's like that. That is why you see, look at this. I have proof in the Bible says so. Ang person nga fool, his own mind. Tama. Kasi nag-English ka dyan, and the deaf, wherever. Oh. And then, pag nag-English ka, no, you understand. That is why nag-English ng mga deaf dyan. What? It's like, oh, what happened? See? That is Proverbs chapter 17 verse 24. 24. That is why ang deaf stop mag-debut sa wall. Yeah, need. That is so I observe. Yan, no? Nag-high school yan. See that? Ay, kawawa. All the deaf in the school. All mercy. Why? But this one, no. The person fools. His mind is anything. That is why I'm sorry. We need the sign in FSL. It will help the mind to work. That is why it's not need many deaf na graduate, but boom. All nga deaf sa Laguna, remember kay Miss Coriel, all nga nag-graduate ng college, kawawa, all of them are dumb. Why? Ang problem is the mind. Gin-force sila mag-English, but ang mind naga-off. Gin-force sila mag-make ng thesis, but all and then add. Ang teacher pa dyan nagaganyan-ganyan na ang deaf. Whatever in the mind. So that is the problem. That is in verse 24. That is why if you are dumb, okay, and your mind mo gumaganyan-ganyan, question the mother, father is happy. It's not. That is in verse 24, 25. It says the son that is fools, it makes his own father and mother, he does like that. And then the mother, why? I will explain. Kasi ang mother, father, de Mary, ang taga nagganyan at saka nagganyan-ganyan, ang father niya nag-hope. nag-hope na ang baby mag-grow, he will become just like me. So later on when the father ganyan na ganyan, so the father yan, ganyan ang father. Kasi he hope na si Martin ganon mag-become engineer. Nag-become 50, so how? So now you understand, that is why ang father yan magganyan. Okay? And then the second, ang mother yan, kasi ang mother yan nagpakain, ang mother nagaganyan-ganyan, nagalaban, different thing. So the mother yan magganon. Okay? Why ang mother yung nagka-father dito sa lima? Alis nga dito. So ang mother magganyan. Why? So ang mother magganyan. Kasi ang mother yan gumaganyan-ganyan, nagaganyan-ganyan, nagaganyan. And then ang father yan magganon. So ang mother yan magganyan. Ang family, they are not happy. That is why sa family, the deaf, the lulu will come to the house. Even that is why ang habit yan, ang lulu nag-take ng deaf. Yes, that is really true. Ang lulu yan nag-take ng deaf kasi ang father yan nagganong. Ang father yan gumaganyan, ang mother yan gumaganong. That is why ang lolo na mag-love natin. Sometimes the mother, father, lolo wala. Tapon doon sa Laguna, just like Ricardo. Tapon doon, boom, ka doon sa Laguna. Yeah, kasi the mother, father trouble them. It's like that. Now you understand, beautiful ang problem so that's like that. So that is in verse 25. That is why it says here in verse 26. It's wrong. So meaning if this is the person, he has no wrong, wala, and you punish him, yung wala yung bumuna pagkat you punish him. So that is meaning it's not fair. Not now, so it's the same when you beat the leader that is honest is also wrong kasi he's a leader. And then you beat him, and then he's a leader. It's right that you beat him, then it was strong for 100%. So meaning is like this. I'll give you example. So this is the thing. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, so like that. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, so like that. So this is the leader. Okay, so he's wrong, wala, and you punish him, then you are okay. So it's like example. He's wrong, wala. And then you punish him. For example, this is the government. You punish him, and then you are wrong. And then you're he's the leader, and you beat him. Oh, more wrong ka than this one. Why? Kasi this one is a law. Ang leader yan kasi high. Okay. So if there is law. And there is Markil, kawawan si Dayan. Ay, kawawan si Dayan. Sige mo, wag. Magugot tayo kilay. Okay, attention kay P. You learn, please, you learn. So there are two. The one that is low, okay, and the one that is high. Okay, that is why please you copy the word. It's wrong. Ang word kasi that is wrong. When God made the people, there are two, the high and the low. That is why ang communist is wrong. Kasi ang communist like maganyan-ganyan. So if you deaf maganyan-ganyan, wrong mind, dirty, it's bad. Kasi when God He made the people, God made it. That is why, for example, you're deaf. It's wrong. Kasi God made the hearing, God made the deaf. Complain? No. So you have the high. So if you punish this, you are wrong. But if you punish the high, you are more wrong. See, what does it mean? Meaning, ang God, He accept the law, ang God, He accept the high. So if you do like that with the law, okay, you are wrong. But if you do like that with the high, you are more wrong. So what does it mean? Meaning, ang God, He honors the high, and God, He honors the law. No. Okay? Oof! Kung nag-idea yan, that is why ang communism, the person ng ideya. Now this is, so that is like that. Now in verse 27, the person that knowledge have, attention kayo, ang person that knowledge have, kasi, Khalil, I have problem with the word. What is the sign? Oh. Yeah, that's kasi ang yun yung sign like that is no. That before in CSV ang FSL is a little bit, it's prep. Here it's high. Kasi we cannot sign like that. If you do like that, that is a verb which is no. But the word is knowledge. Kasi ang knowledge, it's a noun. Do you understand? So Sito Salim, what I did is, ang verb nga know, I think, yeah, that is why sometimes we spell it. Sometimes Sito Salim, I spell it knowledge or not. Or very hard. Okay, so it says here, the person that knowledge have, okay, knowledge have, okay, if you have knowledge, meaning you are wise. Kasi if you are dumb, you do like that. But if you are wise, then you have knowledge, and then your hand, you control. Now, ang fools, ano na lang. But if you are wise, you do like that. That is why ang deaf na gumaganyan-ganyan, it is wise or the fools, which, is it wise or fools? Yeah, ang deaf na gumaganyan-ganyan, it's a fool. Kasi ang deaf na wise na nag-anit na you do like that. You like that. Yeah, meaning yan you're wise. So it's like that. That is in verse 27. So this is the last. So example, the person pulls that. Kasi ito that is in verse 28. It says, so it's the same if the person pulls, you do like that, and then you pretend you compare your wise. Okay? Now, so you understand. Attention kasi sa hearing, for example, nagaganan ka lang, not ka na ganan, ang people mag-think you are wise. Meaning yan, fool. Ang Filipino internationally, okay? That is why actually ang culture ng Pilipino, wag mag-heart, it's full ang culture. Ang culture nga wise, do you know? The Japan. Ang culture nga wise, Japan. In Japan, in the train, ayan, the LRT, people yan, kapag may cellphone, bawal yan. Bawal yan kasi meaning yan, you're dumb. For example, you walk, meaning yan, you're dumb. So in public, dapat yan, and then in public, dumb. So meaning yan, if you want to talk like that, you have to do like that. When you eat like that, you have to do like that. You don't show that word. Kasi when you show that, meaning you are dumb. That is the culture of Japan. How about the Filipino? How? That is why in the airport, okay, the people nagaganyan-ganyan nagawad. So ang girl niya may loudspeaker na. please, Filipino soup. Kasi kung nagaganyan kami dyan, so yung mga friends, mga Japan, mga Korea, what does it mean? So meaningful. Yeah. So in Switzerland, in Thailand, I just do like that. And then when I do like that sa my SM, for example. I do like that and I do like that. And then I speak Thai, but it's like that. And then the servant, I do like that. They never found that I'm Filipino. They never. They guess that I am Japanese or Japanese. It's like that. Kasi they observe. They observe. Ba't ka magganan ka? Huwag ka mag-wild walk. Kasi hard kasi ang touch na. That is why in the world, if you compare the UK at saka American, the internet, they hate American.
What?
Why? At saka mo ganyan-ganyan. They hate. Ang mga UK people gumaganon yan. Gumaganon. Yes, it's like that. Okay, so what does it mean? What does it mean that is yesterday 25, you know? The meaning yan, ang Christmas, when Jesus came, His purpose is to teach us the character, the culture, the wise, wag ang tabo. That is why if we are in the church, we teach deaf wise. Ang school yan, they don't teach the deaf mag-wise wala. Why? Okay, why? Kasi in the school, in elementary, high school, college, they teach deaf apply Japera. But si Tusalem, I teach deaf mag-become wise. Which is better? Kanil, which is better? Tama! Kasi ang wise, panakaw ba yan? Kanak. Ang wise, nauubos ba yan? Wala. Ang pera mo maganyan-ganyan ka dyan pagkatapos, but if you are wise, you just do like that. And then you smile. Kawawa. That is the meaning. Yeah, that is. So the question, where do you get the wise? Where do you get that? Si Roy, ka mag-wise ka ba yan? Panot. So that is the question, where do you get the wisdom? It's wisdom. Okay, where do you get? Attention, ang wisdom is in the language. Ang wisdom is in, tingnan mo, I train yun si JL. I feel mercy very hard. Kasi ang problem is the language, not yet. That is why we need. How about ang deaf dyan sa Manila? How? It's different. Kasi ang deaf, sorry, it's not yan wisdom. It's not. That is just like the ant. You see the ant? How do you that, Ricardo? That is ang deaf. Sorry, it's not wisdom. It's not wisdom. Ang wisdom is Papa, kasi ang wisdom yan, there is problem, but you have to solve it. If there is problem, you need to solve it. This problem, you have to solve it. Meaning yan, wisdom. Si Tito Salim, I do like that. Ang deaf many problem and they did not solve. Wala. I give you for example. That is problem. Tama. We are 2 years here. Did you solve? Wala. Why? We are dumb. Ang wise na person nakita ang problem, he solved it. Now, and you understand. It's not about good. I give you for example, in Manila, ang Pilipino, slow. Kasi si dalawa kami nag-work. Kasi that is the culture ng Pilipino, slow. All nga mga ganyan, nakita ang Pilipino, tama, good. But ang problem is slow. Okay? Is it right or wrong? That is wrong. Okay? Now question, ang school, why ang mga PhD dyan sa UP, mga PhD sa Lasal, whatever dan mga Ateneo, whatever like that, why did it not solve the problem ng Filipino slow? Why? They have PhD, mga doctor, whatever that one sila in the university. Why did it not solve the problem ng Filipino slow? Why? Kasi ang all ng mga school ko nagaganyan, dumb. Si Tito Salim, you observe me. Si Dayan. Yes. I remember that. Yeah, why we live. That is why si Tito Salim, I do like that. Ang Pilipinos slow, why? Ang problem, the school, they did not train, they did not teach. They do like that. Why? Kasi ang mga teacher, their goal is pera. I don't care you, basta I can do like that, fine, I have no problem. That is the meaning we are done. That is by the meaning, Tito Salim, I cannot continue in this place. Why? I look for other there. Wise. Now you understand. So that is ang person nga fools maganyan sa magpretend nga wise sa sorry, you're wrong. So for example, ang person nga fools nga mag-sign ka wala, and then the person nga fools, you are compare same that you yourself you understand. Meaning ang person nga fool sometimes you just do like that and then at saka true, you doesn't understand. So all that is the meaning. So our Christmas, the meaning yan, we have to be wise. Where do you get that wisdom? I cut si Jojo nagsain the word. That's why ang Christmas, it is the word, it is Jesus that is born. That is why in John chapter 1, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word himself God. And the Word, and the Word, He become man. And the Word, He lived with us. That is Christmas. Yes. And the Word, He lived with us. And we become wise. So now, deaf and dumb, no. Deaf with God. Okay?